Hello everyone, this is Alvin from youtube.com/alvin191. Here are some of the simplest and easiest exercises to help you lose belly fat that you can be doing even if you are a complete beginner. And I will show you what they are. One of the best exercises that you can be doing at home to lose your belly fat is the leg raise. And this is how a leg raise is done. As you can see, what happens is that these leg raises target the lower abs. And I have mentioned before in another video that exercises that target the lower abs will also target the upper abs, but not the other way around. That is why it is so important to be performing mainly or even exclusively lower abdominal exercises, because they also target the upper abs anyway. So it saves you time and you see more results. And the second easy exercise that you can be performing at home to lose your belly fat is the alternating leg raises. And this is how it's done. When it comes to alternating leg raises, it is actually even easier to perform than the regular leg raises. So if you're having troubles with doing the original leg raises, you can be performing the alternating leg raises first if you find the other one too difficult. Now let's move on to the next exercise. Okay, the next easy exercise that you can be performing at home to lose your belly fat is the plank. When it comes to planking, what it basically means is that you stay in this position for a period of time. This is also known as an isometric exercise. It basically means there is no movement in your body and you basically stay in the exact same position when performing this exercise, and you just hold on to that position. Now, the last exercise that I want to be sharing with you is the push-up. This is one of my favorite exercises because not only does it target your core, which is your abdomen, it also targets your arms and your shoulders and your chest. It tones up every part of your body, and this is how you do a push-up. So there you have it. Those are the simplest exercises and easy exercises that you can be performing at home to lose your belly fat. Now, so your final question may be, how many repetitions and how many sets of these exercises you should be performing? Now let me go through them. For the first exercise, that is the leg raises, you want to perform as many repetitions as you possibly can, but you want to stop short of failure, meaning if you think that your maximum is 10, you want to stop short at 8. Just perform 8. Stop 2 repetitions short of failure. When it comes to the second exercise, that is the alternating leg raises, you also want to stop 2 repetitions short of failure. For instance, if you can do 20, you want to do just 18. Just make sure that when it comes to the alternating leg raises, because you're using your left leg and then your right leg, you want to be performing an even amount of repetition. Don't stop at 17 or 15 or things like that. Now when it comes to the third exercise that I recommend you can do at home to lose your belly fat, the planks, you want to stop approximately 2 to 5 seconds short of failure. Meaning you stay in that position and you want to stop 2 to 5 seconds before you completely cannot take it. When it comes to the fourth exercise, that is the push-up, you also want to stop 2 repetitions short of failure. Meaning, if you think you can do, example, 13 push-ups, you want to do just 11. Now, when it comes to your belly exercises, you can actually perform them on a daily basis. For an overall workout, you don't want to perform every single day. So how many times should you do those previous exercises? You want to go through all 4 exercises that I just mentioned and then perform them once a day. Each of them back to back with approximately 1 to 2 minutes rest between sets, and then you want to perform just 1 time a day, every single day. So there you have it. These are the simplest and easy exercises that you can be performing at home to lose your belly fat. And I hope you did like this video. And in tomorrow's video, I'm going to share with you why I always recommend never reaching your point of failure. A lot of channels out here on YouTube share with you and tell you that you should always perform your repetitions to failure. And I think that's the worst suggestion ever, especially for beginners. So if you want to listen to that video, make sure to come back to my channel tomorrow around the same time, and I'll be uploading that video and sharing with you how I come up and why I recommend always stopping short of failure when it comes to your exercises. So if you did like this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe once again. But just like that, this video is over and I'm out.